Today's topic is your Lightbody Architecture. You are not just flesh and bone. Your Lightbody is a living template of codes, spirals, crystalline structures, beautifully woven through time. You're designed for higher frequencies, so this is part 4 of the 6 keys of divine remembrance. You are upgrading with every activation, every portal, every timeline shift, every solar flare, and the extensive work you're doing on yourself, which I'm so very proud of you for. So it's the energetic codes of restoration, recalibration and template upgrades. My Merkis Course, the Quantum Chakras, supplies you with the attunements, the knowledge and the energetic mastery needed right now. It's a self-study course, allowing for integration after each activation, accelerating your ascension process. handserenity.com. So if you're feeling this tingling in these energies, it is your structure responding to the truth, the trust that you are building within yourself. You can repeat after me. My light body is built to hold the divine. I no longer fear my power, I embody it. I am restructuring from stardust. Each cell of my being remembers the divine blueprint I carry. My light body expands with every frequency. I am sovereign, whole and free. You're built for this. Your body remembers. Let your body rebuild itself in light. This is a reconstruction of yourself in divine order. Part 5 tomorrow. Lots of love. Namaste.